Hello, I want to demonstrate tilting to you. Welcome to my workshop, laboratory, maths experiment place, whatever you want to call it, okay? It's my garage, right? So Lord Vader's joined us, partly because I need a black background so you can see this nicely. I've kept the Bond poster there because no time to die, it's always appropriate at this time of year. And yeah, the title for tilting, okay? And this here, just so you can see, this is my uniform, if you want, rod, okay, uniform. But remember, a rod we consider to be a straight line only, and it's got one dimension, so we ignore the thickness normally and the width, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it on there, and just, it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, it doesn't have to be precisely horizontal, so yeah, but that's just enough, okay. What is tilting all about, okay? What is tilting all about, okay? Well, it's about the turning effect produced by a moment, okay? What's a moment? It's the turning effect by a force, okay? I have here, here's my bit of advertising, Luxley. Yeah. It's UHT milk though, I prefer the fresh stuff, but that's in the fridge and I couldn't bother to go and get it, so this is quite easy, okay? This 1 litre is about 1 kilogram, isn't it? So it's 1 Newton, okay? 1 Newton of this, okay? Now, if I just place it there, can you see? Yeah. Nothing much happening, is there? Okay. I've got another one, okay, because I like milk, right? And let's face it, who doesn't like milk? Okay. And I can keep lining them up there, but it's not much is happening, is it? Okay. Why is it in equilibrium? It's because of these two supports here. If I place as many as I want within reason between these supports, okay, and as long as they're evenly spaced, I suppose, nothing much is going to happen. Okay. So I can just shift that to there. You see, you know, nothing much is going to happen. Okay. But what do you think happens if, let's just remove that one. What do you think happens if I suddenly put that one here? What's going to happen? Shall we have a look? Shall we? Right, let's do that, okay? So I'm going to place it here, not for long, so you've got to watch it, okay? Here we go. And right at the moment, I'm still holding it. I'm going to let go. Oops. You can see it's about to go, isn't it? I'm going to let go now. Whoop. And I lost my milk. Never mind, it's in its cartons still. Okay. Do you want to see that? Oh, sugar. Oh, well, I better drink that, I suppose, isn't it? It's opened. Yeah. I'm glad I said sugar there. It could have been far worse, couldn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that's leaking. Annoying. Anyway, let's just put that down there. Right, let's try this one. Maybe I shouldn't have let it go all the way down. Okay. Whoops. Well, it's not like it's, you know, important, it's not like it's toilet paper, is it? I can get another one of those easily. Right, let's just do that again. This time I'm going to kind of make sure it doesn't fall because I don't really want to get rid of all my milk, okay? There. Whoop. See what happened? Sorry, Lord Vader. Yeah, it tilted, didn't it? Okay, that's what we call tilting. Okay, what actually is tilting? Okay, well, you've got normal reactions from these two supports here and here, haven't you? Okay, but then you've got, you know, another force that is acting here, and there's nothing to counteract it. Okay, there's nothing there to counteract it. Okay, this is leaking a little bit, but I can deal with that. I'm going to use that a little bit later. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rest it here, and now it's going to be on the point of tilting. See that? Well, there. See right there, it's on the point of tilting there. That's what's called a limiting equilibrium. When it's about to turn. When it turns completely here, it's going to do that, isn't it? Okay. What can you say about the normal reactions now? Exactly. There's only one normal reaction. Everything is resting on this single support. Okay. Can you see there's no contact over there with that support? There's no normal reaction at all. Now when it's about to tilt, sort of about there, okay, even though it might to the eye be making contact with it, we say there's no normal reaction. So when we say that something is on a point of tilting, what that means is the normal reaction stays at the pivotal point, but there's no normal reaction there, okay? It's as if the rod is free to pivot about that one single thing, okay? We like that word, don't we? Pivot. Pivot! Yeah, you know where that comes from. Okay, now let's just try another little experiment, okay? While I'm doing this. Because we all love experiments, don't we? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that there, rest it, and there. I suppose, strictly speaking, it's no longer 1 kilogram anymore, is it? It's no longer 9.8 or G newtons downwards, isn't it? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just gradually just edge them that way. Whoa. This is the trouble with the three-dimensional aspect of it. You see, I've got to try and get it sort of perfect. Can you see what I'm doing here? When I sort of release it. Yeah, it's not magic, so I don't applaud. You know, it's mathematics, okay, or physics, whichever one you want to call it. Okay, shall I keep on going? Yeah, go on, keep on going. Let's do a bit more there and there. Now my arm span is not that great, so that's probably the best I'm going to do. There, okay. Now, hands are sticky from all the milk. Okay, can you see what's happening? I just want to make sure the video can pick that up. Yes, great. Okay. Because I've put it evenly spaced, you see, what's happening? It's an equilibrium still, because the moments that is caused by this force here and this force there, it's balanced out. If I take moments from the centre point, can you see the moments from, obviously the normal reactions there, they're the same, but the moments from there and there, that's also the same, so it's equally balanced. If I got rid of one of those now, suddenly, you know, it would, yeah, it would tilt, wouldn't it? Okay, what's an exciting way of getting rid of one of those? Okay, just lifting one of those up. Okay, I could, if I wanted to, use my handy lightsaber to do it. Okay, and I could just get rid of it, but yeah, it sounds lovely, but unfortunately, what's going to happen? It's not going to do that nice tilting effect, is it? Okay, what will happen is, if I knock that off, not only will the milk go all over my Lord Vader cutout, which I don't want, I'm going to lose some more milk. I might damage Lord Vader with all the milk, and this thing here, it's not going to tilt, it's just going to go that way, okay? So even though it sounds like a lovely idea to just do that, I'm not, okay? Basically an excuse to get my lightsaber out, really, okay? Anyway, let's just get rid of that. So what I'll do is, this is the dodgy milk, okay? I'm going to sort of just lift it a little bit and you'll just see what happens, okay? I'll tell you what, because that one's been ruined, I'm going to get rid of this one, okay, and then see what happens. And Lord Vader will see. Oh, there's a maths book. I don't want to get that splattered with milk, do I? So here we go, if I just release that, then it should just sort of start to tilt. Well, there we go. Whee! And I've got milk all over my garage floor. Excellent, okay. Yeah, that's tilting, okay. And that's how to open your milk carton as well, if you're in a hurry. All right, hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you again.